Okay, so I'll just talk through some of the basics of how to complete a manual entry. So first step, card in, chip up, forward facing, close the drawer. And what you will see now, it's going to show you the time for when I took the card out yesterday, not my finish time, the time I took the card out. So 14:59 was the last time. So we've got the option manual entry, yes or no here. If you hit no, it will go straight in and load the card and skip the manual entry. We don't want to be doing that. We want to be saying yes every time. So you can see straight away, so it's yesterday's date, 14:59 is when I took the card out. So it automatically defaults back to the time you're at for this current moment, right? So it always wants to go back to that time. So the first thing we need to do is add on time for yesterday's shift, so we know our tacho is going to match our actual work or our timesheet. So we are going to change using the arrows to other work. OK to go across to change the date. And then we left here at 3:10 yesterday, but it just needs to be relevant to whatever time you actually left. So try and avoid the habit of just adding 5 minutes or just adding 10 minutes. Try and make it as accurate as you can. So we can OK that, and now we are going to do our overnight rest. So we are on the bed symbol, so break until this morning, and we came in at 6:50 this morning. So we can press and hold to skip through there. OK that, and then use the down arrow to say other work. So from 6:50 until this moment now, I've been doing other work. So this is the first time I'm putting my card in for today. So OK that. Bear in mind, you can use the return and the OK. They literally move you left and right. The arrows are to change. So if I am not sure, I can use the back arrow to go back to whatever I need to do. The OK arrow to move across to the right. Once you get to the up-to-date time, i.e. is 7:23 now, you OK that, and it will take you on to the next screen to confirm your starting country. So in this case, UK, OK there. And then this opportunity here, so confirm your entry. If you press yes there, the entry will go through. If you toggle it down to no and press OK, it does allow you to go back in to your manual entry. So it saves everything that I've just done, and I can actually just cycle back through to double check. So there's my 10 minutes on the 4th. There's my overnight rest until 6:50 this morning. Other work until 7:23. And it takes you back through again. So definitely worth doing, especially when you're first starting out. If you're not sure, go back and check it. Confirm the entry, OK, and then we're just going to wait. At the moment, we've just got the square there, which means the card isn't actually loaded yet, so you're not moving anywhere just yet. We're going to wait for it to load. I'll show you what that looks like in just a moment. There we are, we can see the difference now. So we've got the black square towards the top, essentially an image of the card to confirm it has loaded correctly. Simple as that. Obviously, there are more complicated manual entries if you need to do one for the whole day, but the process remains the same. There are slightly different head units, but again, the concept remains the same as to what you need to do. Always adding time on at the end and start of your shift, and always making sure you're doing that manual entry as it is a legal obligation. Thank you.